swear. Ta-da! Like magic, it disappeared. Buddy, got any more tricks? Be a magician, take the show on the road.
Keep going. Mevo.
Yeah, you made the square disappear.
Goodbye.
Because you sat on it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are going to stuff this boat like a Thanksgiving Day turkey. I know it's a foul joke, but I thought I'd give it a shot. Really quick, guys, we're going to do a boat orientation. Everybody look up. That is the top of the boat. Everybody look down. That is the bottom of the boat. Those two switch, swim. Don't know how to swim, that's okay. I got bars of soap up here in the box. I'll toss them to you. You can wash ashore. Also, funny little thing that you should notice about this boat, ladies and gentlemen. No windows, no doors. If it starts to rain in the rainforest, guess what? You're getting wet. Just saying, throwing that out there, just a heads up. Because as you notice, it got darker and started to get a little cooler. Yeah, we're getting ready for some rain here in Florida, folks. And we are waiting for everyone to be seated. Now, come on, Princess, you can stick the landing. Stick the landing. Oh, she sticks the landing, judges. A perfect 10, clear. Wave goodbye to the dock, everybody. That's silly. Wave goodbye to the people on the dock. Never saw them before, you'll never see them again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Skipper Jason. For your safety and mine, please remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, legs, feet, and small children inside the boat at all times. Parents, please supervise your children. Children, please supervise your parents. I don't stay seated. Please stay seated. No more musical crates. Thank you. Just went over that. Now, we're going to start things off here in the Amazon rainforest on the Amazon River, where our beautiful Amazon butterflies are larger than life. Look at that, folks. Their wingspans can go anywhere from 12 inches up to a whopping 1 foot. That makes them the rulers of the jungle. True monarchs, true monarchs. Now, just around the river bend here, we have Inspiration Falls. I am told it's called Inspiration Falls because the longer we stare at it, the more and more it will inspire us to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everybody say ooh. Ooh. Everybody say ah. Ah. That sounds like a boatload of inspiration to me, folks. So much inspiration, not only are we going to change rivers, we're also changing continents. We are now cruising along on the Congo River on the continent of Africa. Who here wants to see the world famous Jungle Book? Raise your hands. Awesome, folks. There it goes in 3D. Now, up at the beach, ladies and gentlemen, I have arranged for you a welcoming pygmy party. There's going to be music, there's going to be dancing, singing, eating, drinking. So much fun, so much excitement, so much like my 16th birthday party. Can't see anybody, can you? Yeah, don't worry, folks. The jokes are only going to get worse. Only going to get worse. Watch out for my buddy here in the tree, guys. He's a giant python. Don't get too close. He will develop a crush on you very quickly. He's really friendly. We're going to stop over here in my camp, everybody. Pick up some supplies. Oh, wow. Look at this, everybody. Now, I hired these guys to break in my camp, and look at that. They broke everything in my camp. Good news, though, they got my Jeep started. I couldn't get that turned over this morning. I wonder if they used a monkey wrench or called triple leap. All right, guys, we are now cruising along on the Nile River. The Nile River is the world's longest river. It goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, ladies and gentlemen, clearly you are in false disbelief. We're on the Nile. We're not in it yet. The boat's still floating. Now, up here, guys, on the left is my good friend Jimbo, African bull elephant. I taught a trick. Jimbo, speak louder. Good boy. Over here, folks, is my friend Esmeralda. I taught her a few more tricks. Hey, Esmeralda, speak. Esmeralda, spray the boat! And we're still working on that one, folks. Now, right over here, we got the sandstone rock formation. A lot of people take it for granted, but I think it's still rocks, though. It's one of our bolder attractions here in the jungle. True sentiments, folks, true sentiments. We are now cruising along on the African belt where all of our animals have come together to use the watering hole. We got wildebeest, giraffes, gazelles, impala, zebras, vultures, and lions, folks. Look at that. Those lions up there are babysitting that sleeping zebra. Isn't that sweet? Aww. That zebra must be tired. Dead tired. We're going to let them rest in pieces, folks. Now, just around the bend here, ladies and gentlemen, my friends are demonstrating for you what you do not do to a group of hyenas. Don't make them angry. They're only going to chase after you, folks. Look who's having the last laugh now. Good luck, fellas. Could have been worse. It could have been a rhino. Then you really would get the point in the end. All right, guys, we are now cruising right along here into Crocodile Country. Now, here in Crocodile Country lives one of my oldest and dearest of friends. His name is Smiley. I like to call him Old Smiley, folks. Because Old Smiley, well, guys, he's about a 75-year-old crocodile. Hi, guys, I need you to close the umbrella. You can wear ponchos, just can't have open umbrella. Thank you. Now, next to him is his girlfriend, Ginger. Careful though, Ginger snaps. She's one tough cookie. Now, up ahead, guys, is good old Schweitzer Falls, named after the late, great African explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Gonna make a sharp turn to the right, folks. To the last time I went to the left, I got soaked. Ended up somewhere in Cambodia. To the right, to the right, sugar free boat, to the right, to the right, sugar free boat, to the right, to the right. By now, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people ask me, Skipper Jackson, how on earth did you land your job here in the jungle? Well, folks, plain to see, I took a crash course, and I've been winging it ever since. We'll do one day back to River take off. That's the tail end of that story, folks. We're going to keep cruising right along here into a pool full of hippos. It had to be hippos, folks. Now, last week, these hippos capsized about 6 boats, but don't worry, only 5 of them were mine. We should be okay. Looking around the boat, I don't see anybody dressed like a marvel, so we are good to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now heading out of this hippo pool and right into headhunter territory. Not the greatest of places to be headed, folks. Don't believe me? Ask my last crew. But seriously, guys, they literally were a bunch of boneheads. I'm just saying. You guys hear those drums? Yeah. See those warriors dancing? That can only mean one of 2 things. They're either going to attack the boat or they lost the key to the bedroom again. Do me a favor, guys. Keep your eyes peeled on this side of the boat for an ambush. See an ambush point out, let me know. I'm going to look for one over here. Ambush? No, guys, those are natives with spears. Those are not ambushes. That's an ambush right there, folks. You can tell by the leaves. Just saying. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? Yeah. I said, are you ready? Yeah! All came to Disney for the 8th wonder of the world. The backside of water. What we skippers like to call O2H, folks. O2H. All right, guys, we are now cruising along on the Mekong River here in Southeast Asia. Really cool temple up ahead I want to show you guys. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be great. It's going to be amazing. So pretty, so shiny, so magical, so not it. All right, it looks like I made a wrong turn somewhere, folks. What do you guys say? Do we go in? Yeah. There could be danger. There could be adventure. There could be treasure. Or worse of all, another Disney gift shop. Stay seated, guys. Keep your eyes open. We'll keep mine closed. Oh, look at that, folks. It's a root canal. We'll be all right. Take all the pictures, photos, and videos you want. All of our elephants have their trunks on today. Even that big shot up there in the shower, he's been in there all day long. Look at those wrinkles. And hey, look, we got 2 little squirts bathing underneath the full moon. Isn't that sweet? Aww. Peanut, down boy. Down, Peanut. Down, boy. Peanut. That's what I thought. Last time I came through here, he came up, sprayed the boat, got everybody soaked. It was horrible. George, quit playing. Peanut, don't you dare. Oh, that was close, folks. He forgot to pack his trunk. Watch out, here comes George again. Up, 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 up. Oh, he forgot to reload. A lot of people like to think it's water in those things, but it's not. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are now coming up to the most dangerous part of our journey, and that is the return back to civilization. For your safety in mind, please remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, legs, feet, and children inside the boat at all times. This will help us avoid any unnecessary peer pressure back at the dock. Now, no trip to our jungle would be complete without a visit with my good friend, Trader Sam. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Trader Sam is not only our mascot here at the Jungle Cruise, he's also our head salesman. Now, his sales have been shrinking, folks, but he still has a great deal for you guys. 3 of his heads for the price of 1 of yours. Any way you slice it or dice it, folks, you will come out ahead. Any takers? No takers? It's okay, guys. Trader Sam's a really good guy, though, folks. He invited me and my girlfriend over to his house for dinner last night, and I said, Trader Sam, your wife makes some amazing jungle stew. He says, yeah, I know, I'm gonna miss her though. I'm kidding, guys, I'm kidding and lying. I don't have a girlfriend. But seriously, folks, I invited Trader Sam over to my place for a potluck dinner. He brought the entire family. There was lots of finger foods, but what was really good was the cold shoulder. And then I said, Trader Sam, I can't stand your mom. She's got absolutely no taste at all. He said, Skipper Jason, sometimes you gotta take her with a grain of salt and pepper. He was right, he was right. I know, guys, these cannibal jokes are tasteless. They're tough to swallow. But Trader Sam did just open up the Cannibal Cafe down the road, everybody. He's always looking for new and exciting ways to serve you guys on a daily basis. Too far? Too far? All right, guys, when we get to the dock, there's going to be a dock on the left and a dock on your right. That's what we here in the jungle like to call a paradox. I know it's confusing, but don't worry, folks. We're going to get you guys out on the right side, I promise. When we get up to the dock, wait for the boat to make a complete stop and for me to give you an all clear. When I give you guys an all clear, I want everyone to stand up together. That does two things. One, keeps the boat balanced, and two, it looks like you're giving me a standing ovation. At that time, guys, clap, yell, holler as loud as you possibly can. That's going to help out my self-esteem issues. Then when you guys exit out of the boat, please exit out the boat the same way you got into the boat, minus the pushing and shoving. This side here, you will stand up, exit out through the back door. Center crates, and this side here, you will stand up, exit out through the front door. At no point in time do you cross those center crates. It's not a great idea. It would be disgraceful. I don't go to your house, cross your crates. Please don't cross mine. Also, folks, it's a tripping hazard. You might trip and fall, and that'd be 2 bad trips in one boat. I am only legally responsible for that first bad trip. Okay, guys, slide on down this way. Slide on down this way, all the way down, get everybody out of the rain. But if you want to stand up, cross over to the crates, get yourself out of the rain. Here we go. Then slide on down, slide on down. Here we go. If you guys want to slide on down just a little bit as well, you can. All right, there we get everybody out of the doorways in the rain. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I want to thank you all for joining me out in the jungle today. But most of all, I want to thank my legs for always supporting me. I also want to thank my arms for always being at my side. And I truly do, folks, want to thank my fingers and toes, because I can always count on them. Always. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a word from our world-famous Jungle Cruise sponsors. This Jungle Cruise was brought to you today by Animal Crackers, teaching all kids around the world that all animals taste exactly the same. Delicious. Even better with icing and sprinkles. Also brought to you by Zebra Jerky, where every other meat is white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat. Sorry, gets a little hairy at the tail end, folks. Zebra Jerky, yum. Also brought to you by the Jungle Cruise line of perfume, Sense of Humor. It's a little dry, some people like it, I like it, I recommend it. It's a good one. Also, ladies and gentlemen, brought to you by Trader Sam's Cannibal Crunchies. It's the snack that smiles back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we've laughed together, we've cried together, we got drenched together. Yeah, that people may say makes us a family, and just like a family, ladies and gentlemen, 10 to 15 minutes together in a small boat, way too long together. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I got one thing left, and that is get out. I'm kidding. Where's my Disney hospitality? Please, bibbidi bobbidi boop yourselves out of my boat now, folks. Stand on up and exit out of the boat. If you enjoyed my cruise, my name is Skipper Jason. If you didn't, well, my name's really not that important now, is it? Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. You're welcome. Have fun, guys. Try and stay dry. Oh, careful. This boat rocks. Don't be here when it rolls, guys. It's a real headbanger. And these speakers are originals, 1971s. Totally. Watch your head, watch your step. Bye-bye now. Goodbye. So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir, adios, sayonara, ciao, arrivederci, des vidania, and all those other goodbye things.
Do it. Watch your step.
Okay.